Hello, thank you for stopping by. I'm going to show you how I put these together using my Glowforge in a Croc charms. This one is my daughter's, Kayla, and this one is mine, Shakia. These ones are already done, so I cut two different pieces. I cut the yellow acrylic for my backing and the red, my name. This one I did the red backing and my daughter name in black. So I'm gonna show you these two today. This one's my other daughter's, Rukia. So I did hers in purple, and her backing is yellow. So I'm just gonna take the back off of this real fast. I got another video of showing how I remove the backing off of these. So I got these pieces you will need off of Amazon, and these are the black pieces that you stick in the holes of the Croc. So I did this one, I prepped this one already so you can see the different steps like that. So you need these are the names. This one will go there. This one is my daughter's, it's KK on this one. Emperor Kia. This good, she could use this one as well. They call her Kia as well. We're gonna use Loctite. I would have my tweezers, however, I don't even know where they at. You know how you look for something and you can't find it at the moment. So when I get finished this video, I'll find it. So we're gonna turn over her name. We'll do this. I'll do this one last. We're gonna do this one first. Kia, the backing. So I will hold these with tweezers because Loctite is similar to super glue, like the crazy glue. It says super glue on here, but it's like crazy glue. So I would just put a little bit on here, like so. And I would have tweezers to hold the name so the glue wouldn't touch my hand. Sometimes it do. That's okay, like that. And we're just gonna lay it down like it's stuck to my hand, like that. And there we have it. So to put the back on, we're gonna use per key name, so we're gonna put the back on this. So we'll just hit it with a little bit of glue, grab the back, and sit it on here. And I only need a couple seconds to dry. You know, super glue dries fast. So we're not even going to use this one. We're going to let that one dry. We'll do KK. And you see how small this name is right here. This, you really need tweezers for that. But we're going to wing it. So y'all got the idea of using tweezers with the glue, so it won't hit your hands like mine did. And we'll just lay K like that right there. And we'll do the other one. And we'll just put some glue on this one. Like that. And this one stuck to my finger. And like that. So we're gonna take Kia because it's dries fast. I'll have the fan on as well and put it in the fan, but the fan is real loud on, you hear real loud on this video, so I don't want you to hear it. So you lay the glue like that and just lay your piece down like this. And you can make these, I have made these for people, and this is a small one. You know, the Croc charms are different sizes. I had some that people made them about 2.5, 3 inches long because they wanted theirs to be big. You know, some people was a little bit extra, like myself. I got some that's a little bit longer than this, a little bit bigger, yeah, longer width wise, for the Croc charms. So I got a Croc right here to show you. I'm gonna do Shakia. Now Shakia is on there, and I had already had Kayla done, just so you can see it. And there you have it, Shakia and Kayla. These ones I'm gonna let sit. This one can probably go in there too, because the top part was already done. I just need the back part on there. So for Kia, name is on there. I just gotta flip her name around. Let's see. Kia, you can just do them over. So you can make them different sizes. I had some people in there that's about this long. But to each his own, whatever you want to do. But you can do different color combinations and symbols and all that extra stuff. So here you go, Croc Charms with the Glowforge. Thank you for watching.